Grace, and this is Emily. Well, sweetheart, why don't we play with this new pyramid instead?
Yes, I want to. Let's open it.
Emily, why don't we try building a pyramid? Come on.
First, let's put the green one.
That's right, Emily. And this is number 1, right here.
The next one is blue.
That's right, Emily. And it is number 2.
The orange one.
Good job, Emily. That's number 3.
Red.
That was incredible, Emily. That's number 4.
Yellow.
Number 5. Wow! Look at our pyramid. It's even taller than Emily. Wow!
Wow. Good job, Emily. Hi, Sunny. Come on, let's play together.
Hello, Sunny. Let's play. Join us.
Oh, I can't. I have a very important task.
Which one?
I need to do my laundry, but I don't know how. Hey, we can teach you how to use a washing machine.
That's right. We've even got a manual.
Wow, that's so cool. Please teach me.
So first, you should open the washing machine and put the clothes inside, one by one. There you go.
First, I should open the washing machine and put my clothes inside. And what should I do next?
Next, you should close the washing machine.
Done! What should I do next? After this, you should add some shampoo.
Emily, sweetheart, it's not shampoo. This is washing detergent. This is the washing detergent, and this is the washing conditioner. First, you add the washing detergent, and then the conditioner.
And where should I put the detergent? Right here, Sunny. Good job, Sunny.
Let's see what we're supposed to do next. Come on. We press the power button and then choose a cycle.
Wow! I did it! Thank you! Yay!
Good job, Emily. You taught Sunny how to do her laundry.
Thank you! Grace actually taught me how to do my laundry. What happened? Did it stop working? What's wrong?
It's because the washing cycle has finished. Your clothes are clean. Now we can take the clothes out of the machine and hang them on a line.
And where can I put my clothes to dry?
Over here, Sunny. Take a look.
Oh, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Sunny. By the way, would you like to play another game? Come on. We need to make a funny face for the man. Here are his eyebrows, eyes, and a mouth.
I'll go first. This one. Let's put this right there. And I'll take these eyes.
And I'll do the eyebrows. These ones. Ta-da!
He's got a funny face. It's so hilarious.
Oh, their clothes are dry. Let's take them off the line.
Oh, my clothes are clean. And they smell so fresh.
Emily and I had so much fun today teaching Sunny how to use a washing machine. Well, do you teach your dolls how to do anything? You can teach them all the stuff you know. See you next time. Goodbye. La 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 la. Hi, my name is Grace. And this is Emily. Do you like playing with dolls? Fun cooking? Playing hide and seek? Well, here's your lucky day. Subscribe to this channel and like this video for more. Whoa, we've got lots of stuff to put away. Hi, my name is Grace and this is Emily. Today, we're organizing our stuff. This one goes right in the box. Emily, could you please pass me the blue cube?
Yeah, sure. Right away. Where's the blue cube? Oh, must be this one. Grace, here you are.
Thanks, Emily. But this is not a blue cube. This is a yellow cube. Let's put it in the box. Emily, sweetheart, could you please pass me the green toy?
Right away. A green toy? Oh, this must be it. Uh-oh. Gracie, here you are.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. But this is a pink toy and not a green one. Let's just put it in the box. Looks like Emily's confusing the colors. We have to teach her how to name them properly.
I know all the colors, but I don't know why I mixed them up.
Don't worry, sweetheart. It's no biggie. I have an idea.
Please tell me.
Well, it's a surprise. But first, let's clean up our toys and then we can go. All right, let's go and learn the colors. Come on. Here we are, Emily, at our very own color park.
A color park? Wow! It's so beautiful!
It's so colorful indeed. We are gonna have so much fun learning the colors together. Will you join us? Okay, sweetie, would you like to jump in the pool first?
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Ready, steady, go! Well, it's time for the first task. Emily, are you ready?
Yeah! I'm ready!
Pick a ball of your choice.
I'll take this one.
Great job, Emily. You are holding a red ball. Now you gotta find a red wheel and throw the red ball right in there.
And how will I know that it's a red wheel?
Good question, Emily. You just gotta look at the color and find something that matches.
Oh, that's easy. I get this.
Okay, let's go.
La 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 la. It's not a match. Oh, let's check this one out. Definitely not a match. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Let's give it a go. Oh no! Totally not matching. Where could the red wheel be? Let's check this one out. Yay! It's totally a match! Wow! I did it! I did it! I did it! Yay! Ready, steady, go!
Great job, Emily! You completed the first task successfully.
Grace, please tell me the next task, please.
Emily, sweetheart, I can see you're so excited. So, the next task. I've got a yellow ball in my hands, and you gotta find the yellow wheel that matches.
Okay, I'm on my way. Okay, this is my first stop. Oh, it's not the same. They're totally different. Let's try the next one. Oh, look! They're the same! I found it! I found the yellow wheel!
Oh, Emily, you're doing so great!
Yay! I'm the color queen! I want to take this ball.
Emily, you are holding a purple ball, so you gotta find a purple wheel. Let's go!
Purple wheel, where are you? Are you here? Are you there? Where are you? Oh, gotcha! In you go!
Emily, that was wonderful! Well, since you're doing so good, I have a super task for you!
A super task? Wow!
And for the super task, I'm gonna give you 2 balls at once, and you gotta find the matching wheels. You got this, Emily.
Yeah, I got this. I can do it.
Well, here you go.
Juggle, juggle! Juggle, juggle! Look, Grace, I'm juggling!
Wow, Emily, you're so talented. You can really juggle. Great job, but we gotta go.
Color blue, color green, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yay, I found it! 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Emily, over here! Gotcha! Yay! In you go!
Emily, that was fantastic. You completed all your tasks successfully. Now, let's go home so that we can give you your prize.
Hooray! I got a prize! I got a prize! Let's go!
Emily, honey, here's your prize.
Oh, thank you, Grace! I love it!
There's so many cookies over here with different colors.
Yeah, and I can name them color by color!
Sure, Emily, come on.
This is color red, color green, pink, yellow, purple, and blue!
Wow, great job, Emily. You named all the colors correctly. Well, which cookie would you like?
I'll take the pink star cookie!
Here you go, sweetheart.
Yum, 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 yum! It's so yummy and tasty! Yum, 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 yum! I like it!
And what's a cookie party without tea? Here, let me pour some for me and Emily. Here you are, Emily. Well, Emily and I had so much fun today learning about the colors. Do you know the colors really well? Can you name them correctly? Well, I'm sure you do. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Ooh, my cup of tea. Delicious.